Chamisa officials jostle for positions in anticipated new party. Analysts warn Mnangagwa could deploy another TSHABANGU to sabotage movement. By SERIOUS the 15th of August 2025, tensions are mounting within the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, faction loyal to former party leader Nelsonchamisa, with insiders trading accusations, as speculation grows that Chamisa is preparing to launch a new political movement. The Chamisa-aligned group, led by Jameson Timber, is locked in rivalry with factions headed by Sengizo TSHABANGU and Welshman Ncube. Analysts say the infighting is a clear sign that infiltration by state intelligence may already be underway. According to Newsday, heated exchanges have spilled into the open, with party activists hurling insults, accusing rivals of being ZANU-PF proxies, and leaking private conversations across WhatsApp and X. Particular hostility is being directed at CCC legislators and councillors who stayed in office after TSHABANGU's controversial recalls last year. Critics allege that, despite professing loyalty to Chamisa, these officials are quietly aligned with ZANU-PF and TSHABANGU's agenda. When contacted, Timba said the CCC leadership maintains official communication protocols, but cannot control members' private conduct. The party cannot regulate the conduct of individuals in their private space, because that is regulated by the country's Bill of Rights. Timba said, "People have freedom of speech. How do I stifle that when it is what I am fighting for?" While Chamisa has remained deliberately vague about his political plans, sources close to him say preparations for a new party are well advanced. However, political commentators warn the movement could face the same fate as CCC if infiltrated by the Central Intelligence Organization, CIO. President Mnangagwa could once again deploy another TSHABANGU to dismantle Chamisa's new party from within, one analyst remarked.